lad that I loved utterly. Flinging from his arms, I laughed to think his passion such. He fancied that I gave a soul, did but our bodies touch, and laughed upon his breast to think beast gave beast as much. I gave what other women gave, that stepped out of their clothes. But when the soul its body off, naked to naked goes, he it has found shall find therein what none other knows. And give his own and take his own, and rule in his own right. And though it loved in misery, close and clings so tight, there's not a bird of day that dare extinguish that delight. And give his own and take his own, and rule in his own right. And though it loved in misery, close and clings so tight, there's not a bird of day that dare extinguish that delight.